I'm Roger Basu, and it's my pleasure to introduce Rick McGeer, CEO of engageLively. I'm the CTO of Coreshell Technologies. We're a battery materials company, inventing new materials to make lithium-ion batteries with greater energy density and longer lifespan. To figure out what materials work best, we have to do thousands of experiments. And each experiment generates data in the form of spreadsheets with 100 columns and hundreds of thousands of rows. We need to analyze that data to figure out which material works best. Before we started using Galileo, our database was 2,000 spreadsheets. We were literally drowning in a sea of spreadsheets. But now we have all of that data in a massive database. We use modern analytics tools, all in the cloud, and we don't need any IT people. Using Galileo lets us do more rigorous data analytics and fewer experiments to find the right materials. That saves us time and money and lets us bring our product to market faster.
Hi, I'm Rick McGeer, CEO of engageLively. The name of our product is Galileo. Galileo is the interactive visualization platform for the age of big data. Our first application is interactive dashboards for Jupyter. Roger Basu is a typical Jupyter user. He uses Jupyter much as a 20th century data analyst used Excel to gain insights from data. Galileo complements Jupyter by letting people like Roger rapidly and easily build interactive dashboards, just as PowerPoint complemented Excel. We picked Jupyter as our first platform because it's incredibly popular. It's gone from 0 to over 100 million installs in 5 years. It's used daily throughout the Fortune 1K. It's the only analytics tool of scientists, data scientists, and engineers, and data science is critical to every industry. Netflix is essentially a data analytics company, and Netflix runs on Jupyter. These companies all collect and analyze data, but they need to visualize and interact with it. 93% of all communication is visual. Our brains process images 60,000 times faster than text. Jupyter does not do visualization easily. So what people do today is use libraries like Dash from Plotly or complex BI tools like Tableau. This means lots of code, multiple separate workflows, limited visualization and publication options, and every step is slow, awkward, and complex. This is the Jupyter editor used every day by millions of people. The star icon launches Galileo, a visual application studio right inside Jupyter. Using no code, drag and drop operations like this, people construct an interactive visualization with features like filters and drill downs. It's published to the web with a single click. And this is what it looks like, built from scratch and published in a half hour. Thanks to Galileo, building and publishing an interactive visualization has gone from slow and awkward to fast and easy. It's cloud hosted, accessible from everywhere on any device, and is extensible to every visualization library. Now people have a tool that saves them time and money and gives them better insight and communication. The total market is the BI market, which Gartner estimates at $22 billion with a double-digit CAGR. We conservatively estimate that there are 10 million frequent Jupyter users in the world today. At $20 per month per user, that gives us a SAM of $2.4 billion. 5% of that gives us a SOM of $120 million. We're using a product-led growth model. We have a free tier to encourage usage and paid tiers with enhanced resources. In 7 months of outreach, we've signed up more than 900 users at a user acquisition cost of $6.50. Revenue is from the enterprise plan with a consumption-based model. We've gone from 0 to 2,700 MRR in 4 months. We see this growth continuing under conservative assumptions to over 130K MRR by June of 2023 because there are lots of companies like Coreshell who are drowning in the sea of spreadsheets. We're projecting rapid growth, break even in Q3 2024, and 60 million ARR by 2026. Our team has a century of experience, 2 doctorates, mine in CS from UC Berkeley, 3 more masters, and has brought 10 products to market, 7 by me. Working at everything from 2-person startups to the Fortune 10. I've had a long career as a professor, distinguished technologist at HP Labs, principal investigator at SAP, and chief scientist at US Ignite. Platforms for communication and creation changed the world. PowerPoint made everyone a presenter. Adobe made everyone an artist. YouTube made everyone a filmmaker. Galileo makes everyone a data visualizer, and everyone means journalists to economists to astrophysicists. Just as Excel displays through PowerPoint, Jupiter displays through Galileo. Thanks very much for your time.